All right, we're going to be working on Think Central Math. So just click into this. I've already pulled it up. And enter in your student ID number, your Lexia number here and here. Log in. And remember, things to do. Look for the date. Oh, look. And today is going to be May 14th right here. May 14th, digit addition. So click on that one. May 14th, 2-digit addition. That's what it is. Start. Let me move this up here so you can get all of it. All right, there's not only questions on this, and you can use these for the sound. It will read it to you. One child chooses the tree with the most apples. The other child chooses the tree with the fewest apples. Answer the questions below. And here's right here if you need them to read to you. How many apples are in the tree with the most apples? How many? So just click on this and choose one of those. Okay? How many apples are in the tree with the fewest apples? Choose which one it is. Okay? And then go to next. Check your answers though. And go to next. Now it says add. You can have it read to if you like. So 29 plus 37. And remember, and have a piece of paper nearby if you want to do it the way that we've been practicing on other things. And you need to select which one you think it is. Check your answer. Okay? Next. One child chooses the tree with the most apples. The other chooses the tree with the least apples. Answer the two questions. How many apples are in the tree with the most apples? Pick which one it is. How many apples are in the tree with the least apples? There are blank apples in the tree. So choose the one that it is. Have these read to you and verify. Check your answer and go next. And now it's going to ask you to add the two totals again. And you can then choose which one it is. Check your answer and then turn it in. And that's all that one is.